We stand here resolute in our defiance of an administration that has chosen cruelty over care, ideology over evidence, and erasure over equity. But make no mistake, we will not be erased. We are your neighbors. We are your children's teachers. We are your caretakers. We are the people who held your hands when no one else would. And when you lose us, you don't gain anything. You just lose. You lose science. You lose care. You lose lives. For decades, we have fought for funding and recognition that has slowed the HIV epidemic. But now this administration wants to turn back time. Without these programs, we will lose thousands of lives every year who will not access prevention services that we know can prevent HIV. LGBTQ youth are 4 times more likely to attempt suicide than their peers. And when those lifelines disappear, the school counselors, the affirming clinics, suicide prevention services, who catches them when they fall? Who sees them? That's what losing support looks like. It looks like turning your back on the thousands of LGBTQ youth who deserve better, who deserve health care free from stigma. Gender-affirming care is life-saving care. It's not politics, it's health care. And yet this administration is trying to remove it from reach for especially those on Medicaid. For the over 400,000 trans individuals in this country who could lose access to their care. When you deny someone's right to care, you deny their right to live. Without affirming providers, LGBTQ people delay screenings. They delay becoming diagnosed, and those diagnoses turn into death sentences. You won't see that loss right away. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you'll start asking yourself, why didn't we act? And the answer will be silence. We built harm reduction programs for our community because no one else would. And now those programs are facing closures. With no syringe service access, no counseling, no housing. That's not a cost. That's a people. It's real deaths. 40% of homeless youth are LGBTQ. When housing programs disappear, they don't just lose shelter, they lose safety. They've had the courage to be themselves. But then every place where they could sleep safely has been taken away from them. Our elders who have survived HIV, criminalization, conversion therapy, and now are aging into invisibility. They are alone, underserved, and often ignored. We cannot let their last years be full of silence after giving our first words of liberation. Every person here represents countless stories, countless lives, countless possibilities. And as this federal government continues to cut funding, from research, from housing, from mental health, from Medicaid. We will not just watch these systems disappear. We are watching our lives disappear. LGBTQ people will always be here. We are still here. And defiance in community, in truth. So I ask you now to stand. Stand if you are committed to not letting our people disappear. Because this is what resistance looks like. This is what community looks like. And we aren't going anywhere.